Welcome to our second Probability Fun Fair 2024. Students work in pair and given 2 to 3 days, 85 minutes to create a unique probability games, but you can extend it. Students will record the outcome, then after the event, they have to find theoretical and experimental probability outcome. This performance task is really very fun, not only for students but for everyone in school, including the whole grade 7 and grade 8 students, our colleagues, some teachers, administrators, and most of all, their parents. Parents were really very proud how unique, creative, and innovative their children's were. And look at that. I'm gonna tell you my favorite. This one I like it because I got a prize. And then let me see. And I have most not favorite. That is cookie roulette. I don't like it because I got a cookie dipped in vinegar. This one I played, but the probability is very small. But this was the best. This is like popping a balloon rather. This is color matching. This is my favorite. This is really fun. That's my number one. And look at that. And my second favorite will be, let's see. All right, so yeah, this one is my second, but I have two second favorite because the prize were the best. So this is my second favorite as well, Fishing Frenzy. The students were very creative. So you must try it on. Try it now. But don't forget to subscribe.